Hey everyone, this is a brief tutorial for how to use Justify. So when you start, you click on Inquiries and you choose the question that you want to ask for the day. Let's say today we're going to choose, does having more Instagram followers make a person happier? And you write your name here and you put whether or not you agree or disagree. So I'm going to disagree and I'm going to say here, write my claim that Instagram makes me and many others sad, or whatever. I go to evidence, and here I'm going to find some evidence to support my claim. I'm going to click Get the Research, which is going to take me to a nice browser where I can go into Google and I can say Instagram makes people sad. And I'm going to search that. Instagram most likely cause young people. This seems like a good source of evidence. Usually I would read through it to make sure, but this is just a demo, so I'm going to click Done. It brings me back to my claim, but I can see here now that I have the evidence I wanted. See? Here there are other sad people. Lastly, I write my justification. That will be based on my evidence had I read it. So here is the justification or the conclusion, so to speak. Once I hit publish, I'm taken back to the home screen and I can view the argument by going to arguments and clicking on the inquiry once more and clicking on the student that disagrees. So I go over here to Nigel and I can see that the entire argument appears right here with the claim, the evidence. We can see that the web page is loading right now, although slowly, and then the justification down here below. Interestingly, you can judge the argument based on 4 questions. 1, how recent was the evidence? I can say it was 2015, so perhaps 4 styles, how reliable, depending upon the source, how relevant the source is, and then rate the overall argument below. Lastly, you can type an explanation to explain your ratings. There we are. And you hit submit ratings. Button doesn't work yet, but it will soon. And that's a basic tutorial for how to use Justify. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please feel free to just ask. Thanks for watching.